Kapatisi TV.
Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
ICFA University, Meghalaya.
Usembut Menteri Rangba kajela ubak persetuan tensong ula kerpat ya kinong dia madan bakin ai kajing ya trelang ha kajing pengkerja syaki yo dia lang kibala pensna thamai kenang banweng kajing kapnya kilinti ya kijat bat kisurok kilinti kisingkian ha bakran sikilap thai kubor ubak tensong ulong ba kasorkar ka airu ya kajing yarap pisa syaki nong dia madan kibasya kata bat ongru ba kasorkar kam shimla kendang satya yaki ndre la pengkerja yaki hadim bala pensna daki dukan kibapaka hakaleng kasor selong.
I think we need to request all the stakeholders, please cooperate with it. Because again, this project is so important for us. It is not that we throwing them out, but we are relocating them to a disconnected places. Plus with the, what they call it, that 20,000, we call it relocation allowance. Okay. So I would request all the stakeholders to please cooperate, and we would like to see that the public is at ease day or night time when you walk. I think you understand yourself also, because I've seen some group of people, they say why the government they throw them out, this, that. It's not the question of throwing them out. In fact, we just relocate them. Relocation, at the same time, relocation fees also is there, where we provided to all of them.
Kanong ba bernihan kadon ha uput usam ha pedeng ka Assam bat Meghalaya kawe katham artli ki jala ha ka benta jong ka Assam dan kumba ar phautli ki karkhana red category bat ka Central Pollution Control Board kalapin banaya ka te ka than kum ka jaka ka belong critically pollutant hang ta kadon ka air quality monitor ka balapin pau ya ka khubor bala pau perthai ha ka benta jong ka Meghalaya pan dan tang santali ki karkhana red category kaju ka leer ka baya bentalang hinrai ka jingmi jabo ka ya pher dena kata ka daw kini artli ki jala menta kisdang pen khre banthau ya ka joint action plan